To begin, make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, chain 3. Make double crochets in the magic ring. When you have 3 loops, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. We have made the first double crochet. Make the second double crochet. We have made 3 double crochets. We don't count the chain 3. We have made 3 double crochets. Continue until you have 15. After making 15 double crochets, pull this yarn to close the magic ring. Then slip stitch in the third chain, this chain 3 that we made, slip stitch in the third chain. Chain 5. After chaining 5, go through the second chain from your crochet hook. Make a single crochet. Go through the next chain, make half double crochet. Go through the next chain space, make a double crochet. Yarn over twice. Go through the last chain space, make a triple crochet. When you have 4 loops on a crochet hook, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. Skip 1, 2, slip stitch in the next. Repeat what we have done 4 more times. Chain 5, chain 5, go through the second chain from your hook, make a single crochet. Go through the next chain space, make half double crochet. Go through the next chain space, make a double crochet. Yarn over twice, go through the last chain space, make a triple crochet. You skip 2 stitches, slip stitch in the third stitch. Chain 5 and repeat the pattern 3 more times. I'll meet you at the end. At the end, after making the 5th one, skip 2, slip stitch into this stitch where we made the first one. Using this, take this to the wrong side. This one from the magic ring, you can tie it with this one. Make another one like this one. Go through a different spot lower than this one to the back. One, two, three, four, five. Go to the back, a different spot lower than this one. After making two of these, we are going to stitch them together. Slip stitch here. Chain one.